Hi, welcome back to my channel. We are here today making a berry flax smoothie. It's extremely healthy, gut friendly, and gives you all the fiber and proteins you need on a daily amount. So we're here with ground flax seeds, frozen berries, dairy-free milk. I use the almond milk, almond breeze. We will be using some ginger root and some baby spinach. And last but not least, my favorite is to use a super organic mix, which contains chia seeds, acai, maqui, acerola, masa, and blueberries. It's called Forever Beautiful. So these are the products that will be going into the smoothie today. Bring up my fresh ginger. Ginger is extremely good for your digestive system and helps you process all foods. So I like to put 1 tablespoon of ginger into most of my smoothies that I make. We'll be putting everything in the blender and blend it all together. There's 1 cup of spinach leaves here we have. About 1 cup of berries, fresh frozen berries, almond breeze of almond milk. I put in 1/2 cup of almond milk. Any type of dairy-free milk is fine to put in this smoothie. We'll be putting in a tablespoon of ground flax seeds. Flax seeds are extremely important in this smoothie. It gives you all your omega-3s and daily fiber intake that is required. Also adding this organic superfood mix called Forever Beautiful. And I will be putting in 1/2 tablespoon. Any salads, smoothies with this ground flaxseed, you can add a tablespoon into anything that you're drinking or eating to get your daily omega-3s and fiber intake. I will attach the link in the description box below where you can find this product as well. Ready to blend all the ingredients together for our berry flax smoothie. The berry flax smoothie is all complete and finished, as you see here. It is ready to be poured. And voila. Cheers. The berry flax smoothie. If you like the recipe and would like to learn more about a healthy lifestyle, hair and makeup tips to get glowing skin, you can subscribe to our channel. Here's the berry flax smoothie. I drink a smoothie with either whey protein, collagen protein, or fiber to retain this healthy and glowing skin. Please subscribe below to our YouTube channel for more health and lifestyle tips.